It's now official. The Los Angeles Police Commission ruled that an LAPD officer did, in fact, violate policy in the fatal shooting of a father in Burbank following a short pursuit. NBC4's Gordon Tokumatsu is in Burbank now, where the family is urging the prosecution to file charges against that officer. Gordon?
Well, Chuck, this is where it happened nearly 1 year ago. L.A. police officers chasing a man to this dead end and ultimately shooting him. And as you said, the L.A. Police Commission then discovered earlier this week that this shooting was out of policy. And today, we heard from that man's survivors.
Justicia, eso es todo.
All I want is justice. Rosa Navas's eyes filled with tears as she spoke in Spanish of the March 2015 shooting of her son, Sergio Navas. Autopsy reports show the 2 bullet wounds that killed him, fired by an LAPD officer, now deemed out of policy by the LA Police Commission.
The city of Los Angeles, for once, did something correct.
Attorney Luis Carrillo says the ruling helps the Navas family's case, a $10 million lawsuit against the city, because it now opens the door for more information about the incident to be released. He's already got autopsy reports showing where the bullet struck Navas, as well as the department's own findings. But he says he wants more.
This officer should not be a police officer, and this officer should be charged and prosecuted for manslaughter.
Navas was shot after a short car chase from North Hollywood to a residential street in Burbank. He'd been spotted driving a stolen vehicle. The department's own report on the incident says Navas's car was right alongside the patrol car when the officer opened fire. But the report says the officer could not have seen if Navas was armed because Navas's hands were concealed behind the door frame.
This officer should not have fired his weapon in the manner that he did.
Navas leaves behind a partner, Crystal Emmett, who's also the mother of his 3 children.
No one else has to suffer this pain that his kids and his family are suffering right now.
Both the department and the commission declined our request for comment. Meantime, the Police Protective League did get back to us. Vice President Joretta Sandoz says officers have a very difficult job and they have to make split-second decisions. She says she hopes any discipline meted out against this officer is done so in a fair and objective manner. Live in Burbank, Gordon Tokumatsu, NBC4 News.